Guys, Buddy here, June 8th, 2019. This is another Club Cash Fund video that I'm making with you guys, for you guys. Alright, so if you guys haven't heard already, Club Cash Fund is a mailbox marketing system where you can join, you can get a free starter kit. You call that number, check it out, and you can click the link that I'm sharing with you guys. It could be in the description, and you can request a free starter kit for this. You don't have to do any mailing, no stuff in envelopes. You don't have to worry about paying for postage. The company does this all for you. You just get people in front of this link. The company's going to send out the mail for you, these free starter kits, and then once the person joins, this has a match pay bonus where you get paid 5 levels deep. So this is Club Cash Fund. This is US only. And alright, I'm gonna go to my page here. Go to my, if you guys were clicking on my page and you notice that, you know, my Club Cash Fund video is different from everybody else's, it's because I'm using a marketing system, and you know, I believe in branding myself. This is the Club Cash Fund corporate capture page. Has some money in the background. You put your name, your email in there. This will bring you to the Club Cash Fund page, to where you can request your free starter kit. Alright, I am using the Conversion Pros. Simply go to the Conversion Pros, and I'm going to show you guys my website. How you know, the Conversion Pros has positioned me and helped me learn how to make my own pages. Get my link here. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to brand myself with this Club Cash Fund business. You know, I was able to put my own videos. You know, I made this video. I also made this thumbprint I googled the mailman. I googled the trailer and the picture that says your next big payday and the mailbox. I made this with a free app that's called PicArts. You know, so I can create my own posts, create my own image posting. This is also a video I got off of YouTube that shows you how you can use Cash App to get your starter kit and get your replicated website quicker by sending the owner via Cash App $100, and you'll get a replicated website that will keep track of your mailings that go out. I also put my phone number down here. If you have any questions, you can call or text me. And I gave you the option to get a free marketing system just like this one. It's the Conversion Pros. It is optional. It's not a necessity, but if you want to start branding yourself and stick out differently from the rest, because as you see, more and more people are out there. They're sharing this page, you know, and you might be doing your research on this. You're going to run across this page and you want to join, but say, for example, you don't get paid until next week. So you have to wait. You know, life happens. You have bills to pay, car payments. You got to put food on the table, you know, stuff like that. And everybody's websites are going to look like this. You know, this has gone viral. So you're going to keep seeing this capture page, and you're going to say, oh, wait. I was checking out Buddy's website. His is different. You know, I want to join him. He might know what he's talking about a little bit more than these other people. These other guys are using this other website. So that's why. That's called branding. You know, so you have the option to get a free marketing system. It's the Conversion Pros. And I got the misspell on there. I got to fix that. You know, so also you can, to start doing your own image posting, you can download a free site that's called PicArt. PicArt, you can get it on Google Play Store. You can start making your own images just like I did. And I also use the thumbnail maker for YouTube, so I can make my own thumbnails. And what other ones out there? DU Recorder. DU Recorder is a free recorder where you can record the screen. You can record the screen, and also this gives you the option to put the camera, have a little camera on the corner, and That is recording my steering wheel. And that's me right there with the frizzy hair. What's up, guys? This is DE Recorder. You guys can request this and you can get it for free on Google Play Store. This is going to help you grow your business, Club Cash Fund business, or any business that you're doing. If you're new to marketing online, these are things that you're going to want to do. And also, I just wanted to tell you guys, when you join me, you're going to have the option to join this Club Cash Fund members only group. This is going to, everybody's in here that they're going to be sharing their content. They're going to also, give you the option to be able to share images that they made. There's examples on what to post on Facebook. Other people are sharing their success in this group. So, when you go at this, you're not going to go at it alone. You're going to be invited to a Facebook group with this. And it's going to teach you how to grow your business. There's a lot of people that are joining. There's a lot of people sharing their success in this group. And once you join and you get people on board, you can invite them to this group also. And another bonus that I'm throwing out there also is the people that join me on Club Cash Fund, you request your free starter kit, and you sent in the money to get started, you get your replicated website. I'm going to waive the price on my marketing system. This is called the MLM Recruit on Demand spoon-fed marketing. You can promote your Club Cash Fund link in the front end. This has full training. There's going to be 100 leads that's going to be added into your back office. It's going to drip in about 20 to 25 leads daily. And once you go through all those leads, you can request a whole new batch of leads. Also, this teaches you how to copy and paste and do a 5-day blitz. How to get it tells you to message a minimum of 100 people in 5 days. You guys, when you start making messages on your Facebook, you can't just make one message and expect things to happen. You're going to want to do it on a daily basis, and this teaches you exactly how to do that. This has full training. I am paying this forward when you guys join me. You guys can turn around and sell this for 15 bucks and get multiple payments of $15. This has a phone script. This teaches you how to call people and get people in front of your business. It's called the 30-second phone pitch. You can learn how to call people up and without mentioning your business, and just say, hey, I'm looking to expand my business, and I'm seeing if you're open to taking a look at any good opportunities. They can say yes or they can say no. This is teaching you how to recruit for your business. This is going to be your business. This is going to be your marketing system forever, whether you choose to stay with me in this marketing thing or not. You can use this to grow any online business that you choose. And 5 years from now, you could be making $15 payments off of this, and there's no monthly payments or anything like that. This is just a bonus that I'm throwing in there for the ones that join me in Club Cash Fund. So I want you guys to have success, because without people under me having success, I'm not having success, because once those, let's go to Samsung here, go to my notes, go to my Samsung, or not my notes, my files. You guys are going to request this free starter kit. It's going to look, let's see if I can find it here. You're going to get a flyer. It's going to look just like this one. When you get your free starter kit in the mail, if you use the Cash App, you're going to be able to get your website before this even comes in the mail. It's going to look like this. I'm going to go down to how we're getting paid with this, with the names right here. We're getting paid 5 levels deep. We're getting matching paid 5 levels deep. Okay, so say for instance, with this MLM Recruit on Demand system, marketing system that I'm paying it forward for you guys, you say, once you join and you get starter kits requested out there, you're going to be in the #1 spot. I'm going to be bumped down into the #2. So once you start getting mailing kits mailed out there free from the company, my name's going to be above there too. So this is how we're going to leverage off of each other. especially with using this marketing system. It's going to teach you how to copy and paste on Facebook, social media. It's going to teach you how to text people and teach you how to call people, you know, all that. I'm giving that to you guys for free as a bonus just for joining with me on Club Cash Fund, you know, and this is going to help you down the road. I joined MLM Recruit on Demand system almost 5 years ago, and I'm still getting $15 payments from the system just from making videos on YouTube and sharing links on Facebook once in a while. I don't even really promote it that much, but I'm still getting $15 payments that, you know, randomly show up in my PayPal account. So just an example, you know, we're all winning when we all learn how to duplicate and do the same thing. So I just wanted to give you guys a few pointers. I hope this helps out, you know, start using social proof. And just a quick recap, to help you, download the DE recorder on the Play Store. You know, download the PicArts. You know, download the YouTube thumbnail maker. And, you know, and most of all, click that link down below, request your free starter kit. So when you guys join, I will pay it forward for this MLM Recruit on Demand system. I'm paying it forward for you guys because I want you guys to have success with this system. You know, I'm getting kind of fed up with people that are joining and they don't know what to do. I'm starting to get those messages. I joined, I got my website, but I don't know what to do now. So the answer to that is the MLM Recruit on Demand system. You know, that's going to help you with your success with this Club Cash Fund business. So at that, guys, I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and click that link in the description. It's going to be in the description below. And my name and my email is also going to be down there. When you decide to join, feel free to text message me. If you have any questions, shoot me a text. You know, reach out. That's what, you know, that's how you're going to realize in this marketing thing that you have to reach out to people. You're going to have to follow up with people. And, you know, I want to help you guys do that. So at that, guys, I'm on the YouTube and the Club Cash Fund. These are all the videos that are out there. You know, you guys want to do your research, go ahead and go on YouTube. You'll run into a couple of my videos on here, along with some other ones. This is the social proof. See, there's my video right there. You know, this is sweeping the U.S. People are getting mailbox money all over. Don't stand on or sit on the fence on this one. Request your free starter kit now, guys. It's free. You can request it. You can make the decision after you get your starter kit whether you want to join or not. But you want to be positioned and have that starter kit. When you do decide to join, then you have access to it immediately. Instead of sitting on the fence and watching people to continue to have success with this. Position yourself. Take action. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Scared money doesn't make no money. Alright, guys. I will see you on the next video. And in advance, welcome to Club Cash Fund. I look forward to working with you guys. God bless. Peace out.